Ayo, we're here currently sa Skyway. So papunta kami ngayon ng Greenbelt. Tatakbo kami doon for in-store raffle for a cause ng Commonwealth. This is a good drive kasi ano yun eh, mas mahirap kasi yung online. For me, sa online kasi kung sino-sino sumasali, even yung mga hindi enthusiast, yung gusto lang na makachamba ng pair para kumita sila, kahit hindi naman nila gusto yung pair, sumasali. Unlike this one, talagang nagkakaalaman sino yung willing na mag-sacrifice para makasali or makakuha ng pair. Meron silang hihingin na mga art kits. Strictly one person, one raffle entry, regardless kung gaano karami i-donate mo. So, mamaya titignan natin yung sitwasyon doon. Hopefully, onti yung tao because today is a Tuesday. Alanganing araw siya and people just came back from Holy Week vacation, so sana konti yung tao. Dati na namin naranasan to, kaming mga dati nang sumasali ng raffle and ng mga releases ng sapatos. We go to Commonwealth or Titan just to scan yung form at mag-fill out in store. So minsan mas gusto ko pa yung ganitong klaseng raffle kasi mas nafi-filter yung mga talagang may gusto. So update namin kayo mamaya. Peace out. Gusto ko lang i-share na parang second time namin sa Texas Roadhouse. Tapos para sa amin ito yung best na kainan na merong complimentary. Sa lahat na may mga complimentary na kainan, ito yung best. Only yung peanut nila, ganda ng quality. Tapos sarap ng bread nila dito, tsaka yung cinnamon spread. Yun lang. So here's the food of the day. Ito fish, and that's baby back ribs. Tapos ito chicken fillet. Yan. Yan. So kain muna kami. Thank you, my Texas Roadhouse family. So, nasa Commonwealth na kami sa Greenbelt 5 and pinagsisisihan namin na aga namin dumating pero hindi agad kami pumila. Hindi agad namin inasikaso. Look at the damn line. Ganyan na siya kahaba ngayon. So, nung dumating kami kanina, for sure, hindi pa ganito kahaba pero it is what it is. Mas inuna namin kumain and umikot-ikot. So, that's it. Tignan na lang natin kung paano. Ilang oras to abutin. Hopefully, mga 1 hour lang. Let's go. And so mag-fill out na kami ng form. So again, it's still a wonderful experience. Nagawa na namin to, hindi na naman Commonwealth yung first na gumawa nito. We Legendary. They've done like donate a shoe for someone to be able to skate. So this time it's related to art because it's Virgil Abloh, the Commonwealth. So yeah, and good luck to everyone, but of course we wanted to win as well. So pag more than one pair talaga to, solid. Let's go.